Welcome back. Today I'm going to be test fitting the body kit on my car. We'll see how it goes. I've never done this before, so if I mess up on some things, let me know. But we'll see, and I'll show you guys in a minute. Alright, so this is the kit. Well, I actually also have the side skirt. That one is the rear. This one is the front lip. Yeah. And we're gonna throw it on here. Well, actually what we're trying to do is mock it up. Make sure we put on put it on properly with the screws and all that. And so we'll be ready for paint. Yeah, so anyways, first things first, we gotta try and take off the bumpers and all that, and we'll put that on right after. So we'll see how that one goes. Took off a couple tabs to get to the screws onto here, and this one took that one off. And this one right here, as you can see, and that one right there, and this one I'm missing the tab, but that's alright. So let's get going. Alright, so we have to take this off. So this one and that one, it's right over here, and this one. Alright, so and there's another one here. I believe it's the Phillips screw. Oh, there we go. It's so hard to see, man. What? Hello? Where is it? So this one. Wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait. There it is. Let's try and see if it works. Okay. First one out. Yes, it is a Phillips. It's hella rusty. The second one is out. So there's a couple tabs underneath that we get out, take out, I mean, and yeah, let's work on that. Alright, we're going under. Oh shit. Don't have enough space, damn it. Okay. I'm gonna take those tabs out. This one right here. There's only one left. This one right here. This one. Couple up there, and all right, BRB. Gotta take out the nickel. BRB. Alright, so we got it out, and look at that nasty. Damn, yo. What the heck? Holy, bro. gotta be joking. Alright, so time to test out the front lip. We're gonna try and screw it on, get it marked out properly, and we'll move on to it. Alright, after after battling for some time, yeah, we finally put it on. So it's on there, it latched. This one I had a hard time because this thing was actually indented, so it couldn't go in, right? I didn't get to show it on the video, but I just used some candles, ran the flame along here. I don't have a heat gun either. Yeah, no, I don't have a lot of tools. So just heated up, pushed it out, and that's why a little bit of it is actually sticking out now compared to the rest of it. But you know, it's much better, and it's hanging on. So now it's time to put on the screws. I have this one here, and that's the rest of it. That's on there, and it's gonna go on here, two on the other side, and just a couple screws underneath for the rest of the tips. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's put this on. So we're gonna do one first, and we're gonna adjust accordingly.
This is the new one? Oh, it's a lip kit.
Yeah, bro.
I thought it was going to replace this too.
No, it's a lip kit.
Oh, that looks sick. You don't even have to like change the color.
I know, I might leave it black for now.
For now.
But yo, look what the fuck happened to my plate. No, just look at the front.
Oh, what? Oh, the glue?
The glue and then the tab at the back snapped off, bro.
So you just poke it up. This side.
one problem. This thing just snapped. Alright, so I drilled some holes, and we're gonna use the good old zip tie. So, hope this works. Let's see. Alright, so we got it on, and I still gotta put the bolts back on, and the screws and all that stuff. But here she is. Ugly as Gab. Oh well, whatever. We'll fix that later, I think. I don't know. Okay. Well, this one too has a little bit of a shit. Shit. Well, I mean, she looks amazing, in my opinion. What do you guys think? I mean, it looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Alright. And let's get to it. Alright, so we got it off of jack stands. A few things. It's not painted. Minor imperfections, but nah. You know, she looking good. So here's how it is. Still gonna put the side skirts and the rear, but we'll have to come back to that another day. Gotta prep for work. Gonna get some sleep. Get back to it when I get the chance.